Hi, I'm Steve Lehman. I'm a saxophonist and composer, and we're at the Computer Music Center at Columbia University in New York City, and this is where I do a lot of composing and get a lot of work done. I've been using Live since about 2005, and what I really like about it is how flexible it is. It's, on the one hand, very user-friendly, but also very powerful. I work in a lot of different musical contexts. Music where I'm involved as a performer, improvised music, jazz, electronic music. So like a lot of musicians, I need a lot of different tools, and I need tools that are flexible. And that's a big part of what's made Live such an indispensable tool for my work in a lot of different musical settings. And in particular, I tend to use it a lot in collaboration with other computer music applications. It works very seamlessly with other programs, partly because it's laid out in a very clear way, and also because it's so robust in so many different settings. One thing I found really useful and really valuable is when I'm working with longer time spans, 10 minutes, 20-minute pieces. I often start with a notation program like Finale or Sibelius that's closer to music paper to work out certain things, and will then save that file as a MIDI format and drag it into Ableton, and it's basically instantly able at that point to be coupled with various audio effects and MIDI manipulations. In live performance and in improvised music in particular, things are changing very quickly, happening very quickly, and on top of that, because I'm a saxophonist, my hands are spoken for, so I like to use Ableton and Max MSP together in performance, because Max allows me to send sort of a limitless number of MIDI messages to Ableton with just one keystroke, so I can change a drum sound, change the whole sound world just with the click of a button. I like to use Max MSP to control the crossfade function in Ableton as well, because it allows me to launch very meticulously crafted transitions from one set of musical information to another, control the time of the crossfade and changes in tempo, so that I can have very seamless transitions from one musical environment to another. What's great about Live is that there's a whole range of options. If you want to build your audio effects from the ground up, you can do that. If you want to use their kind of built-in effects, you can do that as well. And I do all of those things. I use some of Ableton's built-in effects. If there's something specific that I need, then I build it from the ground up, either in Ableton or combining Max MSP with Ableton. Ableton's really great also for working with other musicians and collaborating with other electronic music artists as well. I just did a concert with Craig Taborn where we were sending information back and forth between our computers, and it worked flawlessly. I also performed with David Wessel recently, and again, it worked great in that context. I do a lot of stuff that's fairly CPU intensive and puts a lot of strain on the computer and on the applications I'm using. But everything about Ableton is structured to be super resilient no matter what occurs. And that's basically a quality that makes music and improvised music work really well in any setting.